What's up, guys? Good morning. Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the commentaries every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I know you guys are like, Mike, we want our vlogs back. I agree with you. I do have a vlog coming up, so I'm kind of debating whether to keep this channel as like commentary only, which originally, like for like almost a year, it was only commentaries, and then my Mike Win Media channel can be only vlogs, and that channel is like really different. It's a lot of family, a lot of work, a lot of friends, business and car related, so a lot of crazy stuff. So I'll figure out what to do with all the vlogs. But as of right now, commentaries are every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. And if you guys want to see like almost like a daily vlog, it's still on my Instagram and Snapchat if you guys want to check it out. For those of you who are still here for commentaries, let's get right into the first one. With a raise of hands, if you're a car guy, do you have to drive a stick shift? And if you're raising your hand saying yes, only way to be a car guy is to drive a stick shift, then this video is probably for you. 100%, this guy is Asian. Look at the flow of the hands. He's like Kung Fu master. I don't care what you guys say, I'm assuming he's Asian. I mean, the sound effects show it's like a Chinese movie. You can probably dub it and it sounds like me talking, but not really. Imagine that's the only way to start your car. This next video, if you guys have issues with burglars trying to always break into your cars and your Viper alarm doesn't work anymore, right? So the next step is to get a monkey.
The Trunk Monkey Theft Retrieval System. Because sometimes getting your car back is simply not enough. Another revolutionary idea.
With the low price of $199.99 with installation included, you can get a monkey to protect your vehicle. Now, instead of a monkey, imagine if you put Fat Dong in there. He's just sitting in the trunk with the little glasses. Oh, there's a little bat here. I know you guys keep asking for Fat Dong. I'm just waiting for the right moment to throw the Fat Dong at your face. I don't know if you guys are ready for the Fat Dong in your face, but he's sloppy. He's gotten a lot stronger. Real girthy type of Fat Dong. I don't know. Hold on. This part's about the monkeys. Let's get back to that. Monkey in trunk. Fucking awesome. I vote a yes for monkeys as alarm systems. How many of you guys have been around for a long time when you guys saw me when I was like yay tall and a lot younger looking before I was a father? How many of you guys? I know there's a fairly decent amount, right? Before I became a father, I had assumptions like, it's pretty easy to take care of a kid and all that. And then I had Aaliyah, and Aaliyah's pretty easy. So this next video is dedicated to all the fathers, even mothers out there that mistaken their kids for something else. Probably have no idea what I'm talking about, so I'm just gonna roll this, and it's kind of embarrassing. I haven't done it myself, but it's just time until I fuck up. And this is gonna happen to me. Roll it. Hey, don't judge your father, right? I mean, this guy's carrying like 15 kids on his arm and like 18 behind him. Props to him to even figure out where he's like walking. He mistakenly grabs the mannequin. Hey, kid might look like him, I guess. Same kind of shape, same kind of body, same cold hands. Take a look. It looks like maybe his younger brother behind him. Like, Dad, what the fuck are you doing? Why are you grabbing a mannequin? Dad's reaction, try to brush it off. Now I wonder who filmed him. That's interesting. Watch, it's gonna be me. I'm gonna be in public, someone's gonna film it. Instead of grabbing Aaliyah, I'm just gonna grab like a fucking like cat or a raccoon. Walk away with the raccoon. I even realize that Aaliyah is still like sitting in the car, hanging out. You know what? Sometimes certain things happen on YouTube where you see it and it's not that bad, but for some reason it just breaks your freaking heart. And like seeing this, oh, I feel for the owner. R34 into wall. Oh, be prepared. Put everything down because you're gonna drop it. Put everything down. Oh, my heart hurts. Not because I'm drinking a lot of energy drinks lately, but the beautiful GTR just crashes into the wall. Oh, think about this. Okay, I'm done thinking. Wow, I actually think sometimes. So in the comments below, let me know which GTR you guys like the most. Which year do you like? I know a lot of people are liking the R32s lately. Randy has an R32. Right-hand drive. Looks so cool. So beautiful. Randy, I love you. I miss you. Text me, bro. Alright, moving on to the next video. Once again, this guy is probably named Chase. You guys know what I'm talking about. Guys named Chase are crazy. Chase is like, yo, I need a shortcut. I'm gonna ride up this hill. Look what Chase does. Chase gets airborne. Now, I don't know what he was thinking. I mean, what was he trying to accomplish here? Why would you do this to your own vehicle? I don't know. I'm not here to judge. I'm just here to talk about the video. Now, the craziest part is all of us, if we were there, standing there with our phones out, we all think it's a good idea. To the point where we're gonna film it. But in the back of our heads, which is why we're filming, is like, this could end real badly. No, nobody wants to tell Chase it's a bad idea. Let's just film it and go viral. Hey bro, I'm not here to judge ya. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is it for today. Every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, we're gonna have a video out. If you guys wanna watch anything else, let me know in the comments below. And then also slide into my DMs and let me know if you guys find anything you guys want me to talk about on video. Thank you so much for you guys who are still staying around. Vlogs are coming soon. I'll talk to you guys later. Peace out. After post rolls with Mike. What up, guys? How you doing? 4th of July is coming. Be safe, please. Don't drink and drive. Also, you guys who have modded cars, don't drive it on that day because there will be checkpoints. They might just pull you over because the car scene in California, at least, is going a little bit crazy. Hence why I will not drive the GTR for a little bit. Let it calm down a little bit. Anyways, cheers to you guys. Happy birthday, America. Asian bow. I'll see you later. Peace.